Today, we will discuss PyCharm and Atom. Both PyCharm and Atom are built to operate on various operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring a unified development experience across different platforms. Both tools provide integration with version control systems such as Git, enabling developers to effectively manage their code repositories. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. PyCharm is tailored specifically for developing in Python. It offers an extensive array of tools and functionalities customized for Python. It provides strong features such as completion, debugging, testing, and built-in version control integration. It is recognized for its strong capabilities in code analysis and refactoring. PyCharm offers an extensive array of integrated tools that improve Python development. It features powerful debugging tools since it is tailored for Python. The support for Python is quite robust. Atom is a flexible text editor suitable for multiple programming languages. It is recognized for its adaptability and ability to be expanded. It depends on packages or plugins to enhance functionality, enabling users to tailor it to their particular requirements. Atom was developed by GitHub, which means it boasts strong Git integration. Atom is usually lighter than PyCharm, but it can turn resource heavy with numerous plugins. Atom's advantage is in its vibrant community and extensive package library. All in all, PyCharm is ideal for developers who want a powerful out-of-the-box Python development environment. Atom is suitable for developers who prefer lightweight, highly customizable text editor that can be adapted to various programming languages.